Greetings, Stargate fans. Welcome to a new video. Um, Back to the Stargate, I guess. Yeah, it has been a while since I have done something Stargate related, but I wanted to revisit the franchise, and I finally had the opportunity because Comic Con is over, so I started with a new model. I decided to revisit the Prometheus and make a new version, more accurate to the show and with some features. So yeah, without further ado, let's go straight into Creo and take a look. And here we are, and this is the model. Well, on the first glance, you can see that the details, the greebles are different uh, than in the first iteration. Um, Basically, I would like to thank RGB Malakor because he sent me some reference pictures, which I used to make this new version. Um, the model itself is well, the division into the printable pieces is basically the same as in the Mark One. But so the assembly process would be basically the same. But what I did is update it in several ways, and as I already said, gave the model some features. So let's go step by step. So as you can see, now we have a new railguns. Those are the same railguns I used for my 304 Mark II. And we also have a different VLS tubes, also the same one as I used in the BC304. Also, as you can see, I decided to go with one hangar bay closed and one open, and I added a 302. Once again, that's the same 302 as I have in the 304 Mark II. But well, let's say the main features is or are rather on the bottom, and that's actually landing legs and the belly hangar bay doors. So you may know from the series that the 303 Prometheus can actually land on planets and it has retractable landing legs. I wanted to have them, so I decided to make them. Sure, I have to change the design quite a lot from what we had in the series in order to fit it in this scale. Yeah, but still, I have those legs. And unlike in the series, I actually have 4 legs. I even added this small one in the back. Uh, Simply because of the center of gravity. I was afraid if I use only those 3 that it would tip. So I added this one as well. Yeah, all are, as you can see, all are retractable. Yeah, so you can simply put them back. And that's not all. Also, we have this belly hangar bay doors, and we have seen in Prometheus Unbound that it could be open and you can go out from it. And as you can see, I also added pistons so that it looks like in the series. Yeah, it's different. I was limited by the scale, yeah, but yeah, in a way, it works. Now, you may see that there is no shaft in the hole. Um, the thing is that it is made especially for the toothpicks that will serve as a shaft. So that's why no part is here. It will be it will be done using toothpicks. And the same goes for all the antenna. You can see that no antenna is actually here. Yeah, that's because of toothpicks. Way better than to actually print them. Yeah. So yeah, you can see that this works, and those are the main features. So basically, apart from the legs and this belly, the assembly is exactly the same as before. Yeah, so we will only look in detail about these parts which are new. Okay, but that's not all. There is actually one more thing. Uh, the entire model, or not entire, but the model is basically hollow, and you can see it, for example, here. Yeah, that you can see through. Yeah, the idea is that this model could be lightened up. Um, Basically, throughout the entire model, I guess it will not. Yeah, it's not that well visible, but uh, as you can see here, we have this cable management which goes through entire model, yeah, because you can also lighten up this part, so you can put there LEDs and then lead the cables all the way down here, yeah, and even, yeah, from the top. And not just that, also in the engines, yeah, you can put some LEDs inside and lead the cables out from this hole. I do not plan to do that. I don't do electronics, so even lightings. But if you do, you are welcome to, and you can do it hopefully without any change. And not just that, if you do that, the cables will come from here. And for that case, I decided to design also a stand which would continue to have the cable management, and basically the cables would go out of here. Yeah, I will not print this stand, but yeah, I designed it anyway for just for those of you who would like to do this very thing. Okay, so yeah, I guess that's it. Yeah, one more thing. As I said, I have one hangar basically open with the fighter and one closed. Uh, you don't have to have this layout as well. You can have both of them closed or both of them open. Simply take either this one and make a mirror copy, or this one and make a mirror copy, and you can make all both open or both closed. Yeah, I will leave that up to you. Okay, and now we will take a look at the assembly of the legs, because and the belly hanger, because that's well, the new thing. It's very easy actually. Yeah, we have this leg, which is the same in all three cases. We have the leg link. We have two short ones and one long one, and we have pins. Yeah, we have three very short pins, 3 by 8, which are used in all threes, and three pins, 3 by 12, and those are used here as well. And then the entire leg assembly is inserted inside. Yeah, you can see it here. Yeah, so those are the main legs. Then there is this very small leg, yeah, which is uh, only very simplistic. Yeah, it consists of this piece with the shaft for this very long pin, 3 by 20, yeah, and it is simply sliding in, or sorry, rotating in or pivoting in. Now I will get rid of this. Yeah. So here we have this thing. Yeah. So once again, a hole for a toothpick, and yeah, here I have toothpicks as well, and then I cut them just to the correct length, and yeah, and that's it. Yeah. So yeah, I don't think it's something difficult with these legs. Yeah. So I will assume that you will have no problem with it. Yeah. Okay. So That's the model introduction. Now we will print it and take a look how the model actually went out. Okay, so this was the model of the Prometheus Mark II. I hope that you liked it. I am actually very pleased at how it turned out, and yeah, I'm really looking forward for somebody to make it with the lights. Yeah, that will definitely not be me, but yeah. So yeah, that was the Prometheus. So that will conclude today's video, and we will see each other in the next video. Okay, have a very nice day and bye bye.